Hello everyone, today we are making chicken pepper fry. This recipe is very easy, involves very less chopping, takes very less time, but the end result is absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get cooking. For this recipe I have about 600 grams of boneless chicken. You can take the ones with bones as well. Have some 6 cloves of garlic, few curry leaves, cumin seeds and fennel seeds. 1 big onion chopped, ginger, garlic and chilli paste, some turmeric powder, some garam masala, more spices, cumin seeds, fennel seeds and peppercorns to dry roast and grind, and some green chilli and slit ginger for garnishing. Dry roast the fennel seeds, cumin seeds and peppercorns until they turn aromatic, until you start smelling them. Roast them on low heat, then cool it and blend it in a blender to a smooth powder. On the same pan, add some oil. Add in your cumin seeds, fennel seeds, garlic and curry leaves. You could chop the garlic or use them as whole, doesn't matter. Saute them in the oil well. To this, let's add the sliced onions. Saute them in the oil again. Once that's done, add in your ginger, garlic and chilli paste. I've used about 2 green chilies. You could add more if you like it spicy. To this, add some turmeric powder and garam masala. Give this a good mix. Once they've mixed well, add in your cleaned chicken pieces. Saute them well along with the onions and garlic. Add some salt at this point. Do not add any water. Mix them well and close this and cook until the chicken is 90% cooked. It looks good. To this we will add our pepper masala we ground earlier. You can use the entire amount because this is just enough for about half a kg of chicken. If you want it more spicy, you can make it extra spicy by adding more green chilli or peppercorns. Now close it and cook it fully through. Once that's done, check on your chicken. The chicken is cooked, but we have to make sure it's a dry roast, so we have to roast them in the pan until the water evaporates. The chicken is almost done. Garnish it with green chilies and ginger. It's completely optional. And that's it. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and enjoy. The chicken pepper fry is done. I'll meet you in my next one. Bye.